Hi, I'm Mariel from the Learning Lab,
Hi, I'm Julia from the Learning Lab.
and today we're going to talk about how our LMS is adapted for retail and fashion brands. So Julia, do you want to talk us through the branding capabilities that we offer with our LMS?
Yes, perfect. I think this is the very valid point to start with. So regarding our possibilities of branding the platform, it can be fully branded with the colors, with the logos, with the pictures, videos, even choosing the widget that we offer. It can be also entirely adjusted with the background of the whole LMS. So definitely we can brand it accordingly, so that you really know that it's their brand.
Yeah, I think this is one of the things we've really aimed to achieve, is that you have the custom look and feel, right? That you really feel that it's your platform and it's not an out-of-the-box feature, of course, even though it is, but that you really feel that it's very adapted to your brand.
Yeah, exactly. You can really adjust every little element, let's say. So you can go for longer pages, but you can also go straight to the point with a chosen widget and like, welcome to this and this platform. So it can be really straightforward and packed in the chosen branding. What about the mobile app? Would you like to take us through this one? Because I guess it might be super important for the fashion and retail.
Absolutely. That's something we see is really, really key to all our retail clients, to all our fashion clients, to all our shop floor training clients. We really see that there's a huge demand for mobility and for the mobile app. And the main reason, of course, is that those people that are on the shop floor, they're really looking to train either as they go, or they might train even on the way to work. And so they just don't have access necessarily to a desktop computer or even a tablet. They may just be on their mobile phone. But yeah, this is why we have a lovely app. You can either have it as a web app, of course. You can also have the iOS app. You can have the Android app. And this really makes it very easy for them to tune into learning anytime, anywhere, and really benefit from those.
Especially with the option of offline learning, because the mobile app offers that, right?
Absolutely, it's true. The offline learning really makes a huge difference, because it also means that when they're, traveling or they're not able to access the internet on their way to work, they can still enjoy the lessons. Maybe as a next topic, will also be good to look at the authoring tool. Do you want to run us through that one?
Yeah, perfect. I think the authoring tool, it's an amazing tool, making the platform available to all kind of markets, especially to the fashion, because you can really adjust all the videos, all the different kind of widgets that you can use within the authoring tool, making the course really adjusted to the target audience. So depending on the approach, then you can really adjust the course, and again, you can really explore the possibilities of branding up. I think those were the main ones. Definitely the branding, the mobile app, and the possibility of customizing and building up your own courses. I think is the core three points that are super important for the retail and fashion brands.
Well, thanks a lot. Then we hope that was useful for you as well. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact us directly.
Thank you very much.